and namaskar. The Earth News Ladakh Bulletin welcomes you all, guys. So friends, here are the today's Ladakh news. Vehicular movement along the strategic Sonamarg-Kargil corridor is restored today morning following clearance from the authorities, even as the latest meteorological assessment pointed to largely stable weather conditions across all over the Ladakh within the coming days. According to officials, traffic from the Sonamarg towards Minamarg resumed in an orderly manner after the route was declared fit for the movement. Subsequent approval from the Border Roads Organization, that is BRO, enabled vehicles to proceed further towards Kargil along the Srinagar-Kargil highway, facilitating the gradual normalization of the connectivity on this critical axis. The advisory attributes prevailing atmospheric conditions to a western disturbance persisting as an upper air cyclonic circulation over North Pakistan and adjoining Jammu division. Additionally, a fresh western disturbance is expected to influence northwest India from April 2, that is tomorrow. However, despite these developments, the IMD has not issued any weather warning for Ladakh over the next 7 days. Acting on clear directives from LG Vinay Kumar Saxena following his on-site inspection, the administration has initiated restoration of deteriorating water reservoirs in Stoke Village, signaling a renewed push to address water stress in Ladakh's high-altitude settlements. The ongoing work includes cleaning, desilting and bridging operations to enhance the reservoir's water holding capacity. Simultaneously, structural repairs such as reinforcements of retaining walls, stones, pitching and alignment of embankments are being carried out to ensure durability and sustained functionality. Officials said the restoration process is being closely monitored by the concerned departments with active participation from local residents. This coordinated approach by the added is expected to expedite execution while fostering community ownership of the resource. Tibetan spiritual leader and Nobel Peace Laureate Dalai Lama from Dharamshala endorsed the recent appeal for peace made by the Pope Leo XIV. In a message issued from Dharamshala, the Buddhist leader emphasized that violence has no place in any spiritual tradition, highlighting the shared values of the compassion, tolerance and harmony across religions. Dalai Lama said the appeal for laying down arms and renouncing violence deeply resonated him, as it speaks to the very essence of what all major religions teach. I wholeheartedly endorse the powerful appeal for peace made by the Holy Father Pope Leo. Violence finds no true home in any of these teachings, he said, noting that the all major faiths including Christianity, Buddhism, Islam, Hinduism and Judaism share the same message of love, compassion, tolerance and self-discipline. The National Ayush Mission Ladakh has entered into a memorandum of understanding with the Central Institute of Buddhist Studies, Leh, to strengthen the SOVA Rigpa system across clinical services, medical education and institutional infrastructure in the Union Territory of Ladakh. The agreement, signed under the aegis of the Directorate of Ayush Ladakh, to seeks bring SOVA Rigpa, an indigenous system of medicine with deep roots in the Himalayan region, into closer alignment with the public health framework guided by the National Ayush Mission. At the core of the MOU is a multi-pronged framework that provides for the assured supply of essential SOVA Rigpa medicines to the CIBS teaching hospitals, alongside the establishment of a dedicated yoga and medicine wellness center within the campus. The agreement also envisages targeted infrastructural supports for the SOVA Rigpa Medical College, signaling an emphasis on the long-term capacity building. Continued decline in student admissions could threaten the very existence of higher education institutions in remote areas. Bhanu Prabha, Secretary Higher Education, UT Ladakh, called upon the community of actively support local colleges and ensure sustained enrollment at the Government Degree College Khalsi. The outreach program held in the collaboration with the Village Education Committee Ladakh, the Buddhist Association Sham Region and the Nambardar Goba Association brought together parents, students and community representatives from the Sham region. The initiative was aimed at strengthening awareness about the higher education opportunities available within the region and addressing concerns around falling admissions. The administration of Ladakh has formalized a 3-year export arrangement with NCEL to position the region's agricultural and allied produce in national and overseas market, signaling a calibrated shift towards structured market integration for local growers. The agreement, signed under the aegis of the UT of Ladakh administration, seeks to create an institutional framework to channel Ladakh's produce through cooperative networks with a focus on the improving price realization and expanding market access beyond the region's limited consumption base. The memorandum of the understanding was executed at the World Trade Center by Swang Funchok, Director of the Horticulture, UT Ladakh, and Anupom Kaushik, Managing Director NCEL, in the presence of the officials from the Horticulture and Cooperative Departments. Thanks for keep watching us, friends. We will meet later with more updates and information. Thank you so much and good afternoon.
I was very nervous about starting my 11th JEE preparation, but SP Smart School made it easy for me. They start from basic and build up to advanced concepts. The hybrid schooling system helped me manage my JEE and board studies together. The teachers also checks on our mental health so that we don't feel burnout. Now I have started believing that SP Smart School along with hard work leads to success.
Transforming education through life skills and lifestyle learning.
Beyond books, excellence in sports, NCC and co-curricular activities.
At Kingstar, every facility speaks of quality and commitment. From professional cricket grounds to advanced indoor setups, Kingstar provides everything a young sportsperson needs to perform at the highest level. With commerce and humanities, we lay the foundation of careers in finance, business, and the social and governance sector, building leaders in finance and business, shaping leaders in society and governance. Highest positions in boards and competitive. NEET Sure for medical students, JEE Sure for non-medical students, and direct programs for commerce and arts.
Turning medical dreams into NEET success. 100 plus SP Smartians on the path to becoming doctors.
Admissions are open for classes 11 and 12 in medical, non-medical, arts and commerce streams. SP Smart School. Visit our campuses to register.